Hi, I am Martina from Kameleon Solar, and we are here today at Blue City in Rotterdam as part of the Solar Biennale Spatial Lab. Our creative director, Kevin Verpaalen, will give a workshop today on how to design with solar panels, especially on the customization options, the materials and do's and don'ts for colored BIPV solutions.
Basically, Kameleon Solar is a manufacturer of PV modules. How can I make something that's extremely ugly, not so ugly? This is actually a solar cell material that's printed onto the glass.
This is the first of a series of workshops we're going to give to raise awareness among designers and architects on the vast options available when it comes to sustainable design with solar panels.